Now I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so good morning to all. Now, there are some are asking about the head and shoulder and double top, double bottom in the analysis. If you are going in the past before the 10 to 15 years, there are not a smartphone as basic mobile and computers are very in the critical situation, not as easily available. So there is the in the chat pattern. So there are chart patterns are created to get the entry and exit to the easily, but there are success ratio is not comfort as the analysis. You can also analysis if you want give a to some new office boys and you want to choose from them, then from the photographs and other you can't identify it clearly. In the you will see the in the numerical section their valuations like behavior, language, education in the numerical section, then you can find out perfect who is the your office boy or who is your staff. It is perfect for your office. Same situation in the chart for the speculation and like some other there are not important to the risk management. The chart patterns are work, but that is result is very lowest. Now this line is a trend upside and this is the support as. This is the Infosys chart of the 1 hours. Then you can see it is a range bound. As soon as yesterday, it is a breakout about 7:30. Then breakout is successful. So there are many people are try to here to make it a short to try the chance as a double bottom, double top formation. Like here is also reverse from this side. So there are many traders try to sell here, but I will say you actual the positions in the technical analysis indicator is the different that I will show you using the technical analysis indicator in the chart. Now it is the one indicator that I will explain you in the later. Then you can easily understand after the all learning sections will be done about the basic and all indicators. Then you can see there is the short signal given by here. So this top is successful, but there is an someone try or there is a someone try to short sell, but here is a short then one is successful, but there is not showing short as per the numerical data and calculations. So there is the seller is the fail at the here. So there is the chances of the getting the success using the charts without analysis is very low. So if you are seeing the calculations in the past, there are not technical chart as easily available. As the today's world using the technology, you can chart anything. In the Bollinger Band. There is also short is success by the Bollinger Band. Is the numerical data, not is in the chart data, like only chart upper and chart lower support and resistance. There are some members are showing no audio. Please join via audio. Click on the left option, join audio on the mobile. Then you can audible to all. Now from I will again starting from first point. The chart patterns are the created by the traders and some research companies to easily find out the way, because in the before the last 10 to 15 year, if you are seeing, I will say in the next section how the formulas used in the excel to find out the easy perfect value of the any indicator like moving average, Bollinger Band, MACD and all, without using the chart. But in the last 10 to 15 year, now the chart software and all graphic softwares are available. If you are seeing the in the excel or in a manually, there are very hard calculation to calculate. In today's life, there is, if you are giving single order to the any section, then chart will be easily draw on any website or any your broker software. So there are not generally successful about the chart patterns. So I will show you how the chart patterns are not successful always. Now this and this are the top of the, and this is the bottom. You can see in the chart without any an indicator. So traders will try to speculate and generate income in the technical analysis. I will show the in separate definitions. You will try to future from the past data. So if anyone like there is the top near the 730, same situation will be happen here. So trader will be try to take short position here also by seeing the actual data of the technical indicators. But the two times given success and third time maybe the loss due to the not confirm from the site. So there are chart patterns are not always successful. If you are giving if you want to choose from the two staffs and you will show only the photographs like the chart of the any stock or other, then you can't identify without numerical valuations which is the best. If you are taken test and then in the your numerical get the perfect output. Same situation is here. From the chart you get success two time, but third time there is wrong because here is the numerical indicators is already shown the opposite signal. So whenever you will see in the next section all charts and all indicator, then you are also confirm about this how the technical indicators are better to remember the chart pattern and the more charts. So I hope all will be understand the chart patterns as only from the shortcuts to remember maybe this tier here like a top. So maybe there. So we will try to make a chance to the short. Same situation will be here. Here will be one upside, then try to here upside. So all traders will try to here upside and take a one chance to speculate and earn the money. But we can't conformly say it without the numerical valuations. When the numerical indicators and valuations are showing signals using the combinations, you can conformly says that where will be downside or upside. Now you can also see the in the daily chart in the month of the March 2020. Now, in the March 2020, you can see that there are many different patterns. And how you can find out from the this type chart, it will be upside continue or downside, because there are continuously gap up and gap down. So from the only charts we can't identify the what is trend may be expected, but you can see it in the numerical section using the technical indicators. Then you can identify there is continued downtrend from there. Then maybe there is short but again down. Then this is and this is. So this is the upside continue from the this indicator. Same situation again here and here. Downtrend will be started. So the from the charts, it is only to easy find out the short term speculation, not is the perfect numerical indicator, and technical analysis result will be the greater than the chart section. So I will suggest to all use the technical analysis and enjoy the best risk reward. Now in the after the all indicators you can learn, you can also find out which chart pattern may be created, but the technical analysis will be support to the chart pattern. Then maybe your trend upside or downside will be the correct. Otherwise you can't identify 100% correct or not using only charts. Hope I will clear the chart patterns and everyone query about the chart patterns. So if any have other queries, please enter in the chat. 30-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame are generally give the best result. If the using the 5-minute time frame, it is best for the intraday. But you are for the positional like week for or month, you should be use the 1 hour or 30 minutes minimum. Yes, all indicators will be covered in the step by step. I will show you the result. How the technical indicators are better giving result other than the chart patterns. Chart patterns is a giving signal. Maybe chance there from the downside or upside possible. But whenever the technical indicator give the confirmation, then you can take the action to buy or sell. The stop loss is the final step. When you can learn all indicator, then you can initiate trade with the stop loss, then you can find out it after learning all indicators. So if you are not seen the first video, please I request to all see the first video and give the specific time to learn. In single night anyone cannot learn all things. तो चलो एक बार मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, इनको जरा एक समझ नहीं आया तो वह कहते हैं जरा हिंदी में बताइए सिंपल से। जैसे कि ये चार्ट पैटर्न है, इसे कहा जाता है डबल टॉप। एक अगर तुम नाम देखोगे और गूगल पर तो ये दो टॉप लगभग सेम जगह पर तैयार हो गए हैं और इधर दो बॉटम भी सेम जगह पर तैयार हो सके। अगर आप उल्टा देखोगे तो डबल टॉप भी और डबल बॉटम भी। जैसे कि वो एक इंट्राडे ट्रेडर है या कोई स्पेकुलेशन करने वाला आदमी है, तो वो एक यहाँ से एक चांस लेना चाहेगा। अरे यार 730 के पास आ गया, यहाँ से डाउन हुआ था, फिर से एक बार यहाँ 730 के सेल के चांस ले लो, फिर से यहाँ पर एक सेल चांस लेने का सोचेगा, फिर से वो रखेगा अरे यार 730 पे आया है, एक बार सेल चांस लेके देखे। लेकिन उसका ये सक्सेस होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी न्यूमेरिकल कहते हैं। अगर आपको बताया कि आपको स्टाफ सिलेक्शन करना है 4-5 लोगों में से 2 लोग, तो आप कैसे सेलेक्ट करोगे? न्यूमेरिकल देखोगे या ऐसे कि कुछ तो भी मैथमेटिकली नंबर ही देखोगे ना कि इसके परसेंटेज क्या है, इसकी क्वालिटी में ये क्या परसेंटेज है और कैसा वर्क करता है? क्या आप फोटोग्राफ देख के से कंफर्म करोगे? Same situation here. In the chart, there is the graphical view in the front of the system, but we can't get the confirm information. जैसे कि एक फोटो तुम स्टाफ का देखोगे, तुमको इतना समझ आएगा कि इसका बिहेवियर वगैरह कैसा है, लेकिन वो क्वालिफाइड है या नहीं ये आप कंफर्मली नहीं बोल सकते। उसी तरह यहाँ पर एक सेल सिग्नल मिला, ये इसका सक्सेस हो गया क्योंकि ये न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस ने भी सेल सिग्नल को सपोर्ट किया था। लेकिन यहाँ पर उसको लगा रहे यार 730 पे उसने सेल किया, लेकिन यहाँ पर परफेक्टली अपसाइड बोल रहा है न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस इंडिकेटर। ये जैसे कि तुम 10-15 साल पहले देखोगे तो मैं आपको एक एक फार्मूला अगले सेक्शन में बताने वाला हूँ, तो वो टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कैलकुलेशन करना बहुत हार्ड था। इसलिए लोगों ने एक शॉर्टकट बना दी कि चलो डबल टॉप यहाँ से ऐसा हुआ तो ऐसा एक चांस लेके देख जाए ट्रेल का। लेकिन उसका सक्सेस रेशियो ज्यादा नहीं होता है। जैसे जब न्यूमेरिकल कंफर्मेशन आएगा तब तुम एक्शन लेोगे और अच्छा प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हो। आजकल तो तुम कहीं पर भी वेबसाइट पे या मोबाइल ऐप पे 1 मिनट में चार्ट या कोई भी इंडिकेटर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, सब कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ। इसलिए मैं तो सजेस्ट करूंगा कि न्यूमेरिकल एक चार्ट एनालिसिस कर लो, 4-5 इंडिकेटर डाले, तुरंत आपको रिजल्ट समझ में आएगा कि आप क्या कर सकते हो। तो आशा करता हूँ कि आपको हिंदी में समझ आया होगा। अब ये सेम चार्ट अगर तुम निफ्टी का देख बताता हो, जैसे कि मार्च का चार्ट था। मार्च में आपने सभी ने देखा कि पावरफुल डाउन साइड हुआ था, तो किसी को लगा होगा अरे यार इधर नीचे आया ऑल और सेल करने का क्या। इसको लगा होगा कि यार ये ऊपर जा रहा, ये इसको तो और बाय करने का क्या। लेकिन उसका वो पूरा फेलियर हो जाता क्योंकि यहाँ पर आया था सेल सिग्नल। तो यहाँ पे तो गैप डाउन हो गया डायरेक्टली दूसरे से। यहाँ पर भी सेल सिग्नल आया था, तो यहाँ पर लेकिन ये बोल रहा था, ये छोटे चार्ट में देखेंगे तो अप बोल रहा है, ये फेल हो गया है उसका एक चार्ट वाला पैटर्न। यहाँ पर अप साइड हुआ है, लेकिन अगर उसने यहाँ से सेल किया होगा पहली कैंडल देख के, लेकिन यहाँ पर अप साइड बताया है, इसलिए ये एक फेल हो गया। इसलिए न्यूमेरिकल इज द मोर सक्सेसफुल एज कंपेयर द charting pattern. Same situation here. From the trend line you can see upside, but the numerical said upside will be closed, so be aware. So the here is also result is the fail. तो एक आशा करता हूँ कि जिनको इंग्लिश में समझ नहीं आया होगा उनको हिंदी में समझाऊंगा। जैसे कि आप ये जैसे कि एक one is asking if you contain the week wise, then there is the I will using the 5 indicators. First, week moving average. Second is RSI, an oscillator. Third is the Bollinger Band. Fourth is the MACD. And fifth is the other volumes and other. Firstly, there are main two types of indicator. If the indicators are generally in the hair, it will be the trend indicator. This will be deciding the trend, like moving average, Bollinger Band, and others. And there are some other sections like the below of the chart that will showing on the momentum indicator. Means the chart limitations are over or not. That is the shown in the momentum indicators. That I will show one by one indicator differently so you can easily understand. And at the final, you the combination of indicator, you can get the best result using the combination. So hope all will be understand how to use the indicators to get best result other than the charts. Now yesterday's someone asked on the WhatsApp pricing method. In the pricing method also there is the result will be depend on market. The pricing method is the one simple concept is you can observe and check in the practice trade. This is very simple formula I will give on to you. Observe the price range from 9 a.m. to the 10 a.m. and the which side breakout, try to trade on that side for 25 to 30 point in the Nifty. This is known as the pricing method. but there are support from the numerical indicators from the previous data in the hourly chart pattern or 30-minute charts. Then it will be getting success. In the range bound market, pricing generally fall. If you can see the yesterday's data, Nifty will go upside and again downside. Same situation on the expiry. In the first 33 hours, it will be downside toward the 10,230, and directly in the 30 minutes after the 130, it will recover toward the 10,350, 125 to 130 points due to the short covering. So I will say you all how to the use technical indicators step by step, and you can easily use to combination or create your idea also to get the best result. So I hope no all queries maybe now. So if any have queries, please enter in the chat, or maybe ended like there are no queries. Can you tell, are you done with today's class? Means generally, if you are see in the WhatsApp, there are the new method hour will be decided. So I uploaded video on YouTube and you can see repeated. So on sections there are question answers. If you are any queries, you can ask. The live charts will be at the end of the all technical analysis. So you can get this using live chart to better result. Because when you learn the all technical analysis, then you can see the reason why I use this indicator and I saying that this action. There are technical indicators are many. There are generally in the word 50 to 55 used, but I will say 10 indicators that will you can give the best result, and combination of my 5 indicators, that is my favorite. If you are 5 indicators giving the same signal, then there is then 100% output. Then you can also check in the at the end of the sections. While live trading in the August, I will show you the my personal uses of indicator and how it result of it. Technical indicator is the mathematical data analysis of old math. So there are many scientists and mathematicians, statistics. There are find out the more for the same situation, like the overbought and oversold. You can see RSI. in the also oscillator, same situation. I am using the favorite indicator is RSI, moving average and Bollinger Band. From that indicator, you can easily find out the trend in maximum cases. Hope all queries will be solved. Thanks to all for joining. If you have any queries, you can ask me on WhatsApp also.